Welcome back to the channel. Hey viewers, welcome back to the channel everyone. In this video we are going to discuss how to create a futuristic cube box in Blender 3.5. So to begin with, I'm going to take the default cube, go into the edit mode, click on the I'm going to select all the surfaces. I'm going to select an edge here, this one, and click on bevel, drag it, here we have it, and then I'm going to switch into knife mode. You can get that by pressing K, and now I'm going to cut a box here. Press enter. Now what I'm going to do is okay, let's do that again. Fine, now press I to insert a face, resize it, and then press E to extrude this face. Press I and then press E to extrude. Okay, now we have a new face here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on mesh and separate selection. Done. And now go into the shading and click on your rectangle and click on new material, remove the principal PSDF, click on add shader, emission shader, attach it to the surface and then increase the strength and change the color to either green, make that a little bit darker, or change it to blue, increase it, increase the strength, and make sure blue is enabled in the render settings. and then click on the cube, then go on new material, click on new material, base color, make it darker, and then click on metallic, increase the metallic. Now there you have a sci-fi storage box. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some more we are going to make some more modifications to this one, and just like we use the knife tool, go to the top view, click on K, knife tool, and do the same thing again. Okay, now this time on other face of this box or cube, and fine, and now press I or resize it. Okay, and then press E to extrude. Now select the face select mode, click on the faces, and go to mesh, click on separate, selection, and now we'll go to our shading tab, we'll select these new faces like this, and in material we'll select this one. Now here we have a glowing material applied to the new faces. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial, and if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel.